Welcome to Notability, specifically focusing on typing. The goals for this tutorial are considering the possibilities of how you might use typing in Notability, the basics typing in Notability, customizing your toolbar, voiced text, and finally creating and modifying text boxes. So let's consider the possibilities of using Notability to type. One thing that you're able to do is fill out a form more efficiently. Another thing that you can use Notability to do is annotate documents by using text boxes. And my last example is adding captions to images. So let's explore more how you can use typing in Notability. The first thing that we're going to do is create a new note. So in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to hit the little pencil. Now I've created my new note. Right now, the blue pencil is highlighted, which means I'm in a drawing mode. What I'd like to do is to get into the typing mode, so I'm going to hit T for typing. Once I hit T for typing, if I tap on my screen, a keyboard appears. Right away, I can start typing. One feature of this app is the ability to customize your toolbar. This toolbar provides easy access to essential typing tools. Tap to select a font. For a larger list of fonts, tap More Fonts. We can also tap to change the font color. If you need to adjust the font size, you can either push up or down and that will individually change the size, or you can go for different size fonts from a list. There are other cool features that are also found on this customizable toolbar. If you tap and hold on the toolbar, you'll see that there are more things that you can add. So on my toolbar that I have in front of me right now, I have the ability to do different types of outlines, to move the cursor to the left or to the right. I can do bold, italicized, or underlined, and I can also change what is on my toolbar. So if I didn't really want this particular one, I could move it up and pull in just bullets. Or if I wanted to have numbered bullets instead of just dots, I could move that in. So there are a number of different ways that you can customize your personal toolbar. Another interesting feature of Notability is the voice to text app. So if I click on this microphone on the bottom of my screen, all of a sudden it will start recording me. Period. Hi, my name is Sarah English, and welcome to Notability. The last thing that I want you to be aware of is the ability to make text boxes. So you can touch and hold anywhere on a screen and you can add in a text box, which is a really nice feature. And within that text box, you can also change colors, change fonts, and add in text. Once you're satisfied with what you have in your text box, you can move it anywhere around the screen that you need to. And that, in general, summarizes the features of typing in Notability.